Hi there. Today, we are going to do a project. The project that we are going to do is Season Collage. Watch the tutorial video carefully on how to do the collage. Let's get started. Watch the tutorial video carefully. First, write or print the name of country on a piece of paper and color it. Cut it into a smaller size. Then, choose a season for the country. Next, cut out pictures from magazines, or you can print the pictures that you need, that show what the weather is like in the country in that season. For example, what people wear and what they do. Lastly, glue all the pictures on a drawing block and glue the paper with the name of the country at the top. Season collage is ready. This is just an example of season collage. I know you can do better than this, right? So, good luck.